Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Hassaan's World. Today I will be telling you about my memories that when I went to the Dubai Miracle Garden, and you should all go there. It was very fun and a beautiful sight. The Dubai Miracle Garden is a flower garden located in the district of Dubailand, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. The garden was launched on Valentine's Day in 2013. It occupies over 72,000 square meters, making it the world's largest natural flower garden, featuring over 50 million flowers and 50 million plants. The flowers are maintained by a reuse of treated wastewater through a drip irrigation method, with an average amount of 757,082 liters of gallons per day. According to the officials of Dubai Miracle Garden, the Dubai municipality treats the grey water of the city and sends it directly to the garden. The garden again refilters the water and converts it to high quality water for its usage in the garden. The garden is only watered after it closes at night. It was very beautiful and fun coming to this place, and everything was very good here. If you like this and you might think about going here sometime, then please subscribe, like, comment and share this with your loved ones for more videos. Thank you.